In this video, I will show you how to create a simple drop-down menu in Excel. To begin, start typing a list of values that you want in your drop-down in a single column. For example, I'm going to choose G and just type low, medium, and high. Once you have done this, select the area where you want the drop-down to be. In my case, I want it for this entire column. I'm going to select my entire column. Then I'm going to go into the Data tab and select Data Validation. From this Allow drop-down, I want to allow only list values. Then I want to select a source. I click this little arrow beside the source bar and select the range of values that I want in my drop-down. And then select Enter, or I click this button here. Then I click OK. Now each one of these values will have a drop-down menu with low, medium, or high in it. If you want this to be hidden, put it in a separate sheet. I can copy my values into a different sheet. Now my drop-down menu will still have the values. If I want to modify the list of values, I can just go back to my sheet, add a value, select my column again, select Data Validation, and change my data source to include the new value, and click OK. Now I should see my new value in the list. I can also select Data Validation and type values in here that I want to use. For example, low, medium, high, and OK. Now I can see these are the values that are in my drop-down. And that's it. You now know how to create a simple drop-down menu in Excel.